Kern County is hosting a career expo this weekend, and they're urging all the community to come out and join their team. I'm Eric J. Docker, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. They'll be offering positions all over the county, from temporary to part-time to full-time. This is the third annual career fair, offering county residents an opportunity to make a change in their community.
What's so empowering about working for your local government is you can really be a change maker when it comes to making a difference in your community.
In July 2024, Kern County saw a 9.5% unemployment rate. That is with a labor force of over 391,000, while just over 37,000 of that labor force was unemployed, according to the State of California Employment Development Department.
From making sure that stray animals are picked up off the streets, to keeping the roads smooth, to responding to an emergency, from our fire department to our sheriff's office, all of these quality of life services that we enjoy as residents, that's really being put forth by all of the people that work here at Kern County.
Organizers tell me there will be opportunities to conduct on-the-spot interviews for residents who are ready to jump into the field.
Temporary positions we can hire in as little as a few days. We'll actually be doing on-the-site interviews for some temporary positions, and we may have the ability to have someone in the shop within the next 2 weeks. For permanent positions, we have testing processes for a lot of them, and we're normally looking at a 30 to 45 day period.
Organizers tell me businesses are looking for candidates who are ready to voice for their community and serve the people of Kern County. Jobs like KCSO, Kern County Fire, Human Services, General Services, and librarians, just to name a few, will be available on Saturday. Some jobs require as little as a 10th grade education to apply. The expo will be held on Saturday, September 14th, from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Dress to impress and bring a resume. For 23 ABC, I'm Eric J. Docker, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.